Number 7, Science 2, Introduction of Microbiology. There is a second part. There is a cheese productions. The cow milk is a used in a apparently step in a cheese productions. Apparently means that there is a high quantity. They are the after the process there is a chemical and microbial there is a testing. तो उसके अंदर क्या चेक करते हैं? There is a chemical and हम लोग जो microbes present है क्या testing करते हैं. There is a third point. There is a addition of microbes. There is a Lactobacillus lactis, Lactobacillus ceremoris, Streptococcus thermophilus. There is the addition of microbes. There is a fourth point, the removal of a whey. Whey means there is a liquid जो भी है उसको क्या करता है रिमूव करता है और क्या कन्वर्ट इन द सॉलिड. The addition of an enzyme. The enzymes meaning there is a fast forward the reactions. The renate means they are the intestine of a cattle. There is a non-veg or is a protease. The protease are made from the fungi. They are the after process. There is a cutting, cut करना, washing, washables, rubbing. There is a त्याला घासना आपण बोलू शकतो. Salting mixture of the essential microbes. तो उसके ऊपर क्या करते हैं salt ऐड करते हैं. There is a pigments. The pigment there is a colors. The colors they are the chromatography. They are the chromatography. They are 22 types. There is the LC, GC, PC, SPLC. LC means liquid chromatography. GC gas chromatography. PC paper chromatography. SPLC high performance liquid chromatography. After the process, cut in a pieces, cut in a small pieces, and ripening. Ripening there is a preventions not a prevention नहीं preservations. क्या करते हैं इसको preservations. After the process there is a probiotic products. The probiotic they are the present in a useful of a bacteria. There is an example yogurt, kefir, dark chocolate, miso soup. The miso soup they are the made in a Japanese. There is a pickle oils, corn syrup, and spirulina. Chlorella, blue green algae. There is also use of probiotics. Increase population of microbes in alimentary canals. There is a useful of bacteria are growing in the body and decrease the population of harmful microbes. तो जब भी हम लोग की बॉडी के अंदर यूजफुल बैक्टीरिया बढ़ते हैं तो there is a inversely proportional harmful बैक्टीरिया का हो जाते हैं कम हो जाते हैं. There is a Clostridium bacteria SPB. The important resistance means there is a defense of a bacteria and a lower ill effect. म्हणजे ह्याचा काय होतो वाईट परिणाम आपल्या बॉडीवर पडतो कमी वाईट परिणाम होतो आपल्या बॉडीवर of a harmful substance during the metabolic activity. The metabolic activity there is a chemical reaction in the brain. The activation of a inactive means there is a non-active, not a active useful microbe due to the antibiotic. तो जो प्रोबायोटिक है हम लोग के बॉडी के अंदर क्या बनाता है एंटीबायोटिक. देयर इज अ सोल्जर बैक्टीरिया सेल्स. देयर इज अनदर नेम इज WBC व्हाइट ब्लड सेल्स. देयर इज अ ब्रेड इज अ इंग्रेडिएंट्स. तो ब्रेड को बनाने में क्या क्या बनाना पड़ता है क्या क्या चीजें चाहिए हम लोग को. देयर इज अ सेकंड बैक्टीरिया इज अ बेकर ईस्ट इज अ फंगाई ऑफ अ टाइप्स. देयर इज अ सैक्रोमाइसिस सर्विसिया. वाटर सॉल्ट फ्लोर मींस आटास. तो ईस्ट दे आर द dry yeast are made in a household and compressed yeast there is a industrial. They are the proteins and carbohydrates. There is a macro quantity vitamins and minerals. There is a micro quantity. The first step is the fermentations. The fermentation there is a carbohydrate there is the reactions are the CO2 and ethanol. The carbohydrate is the reaction is produced in a CO2 is carbon dioxide and ethanol. And baking there is the production of gases, the production of CO2 and byproduct means CO2 water and oxygen. The vinegar production use of important sour taste in a syrup. Okay, मैं आप यहाँ बोल सकता important sour taste in a vinegars. The chemical compositions are made from the 4% acetic acid. They are made from the 96 ml of water and 4 ml of acetic acid. The acetic acid there is another name is called as a weak acid and strong acid name is a hydrochloric acid. There is a molecule formula HCl. The step in the vinegar productions, the first is the fermentation. The fermentation means addition of microbes and breakdown of the substance. There is a addition of microbes, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, the sugar molasses and maple. Maple म्हणजे काय? मॅपलचं ट्रीचं नाव आहे. The sugars they are converted in the ethanol. The second process, the microbial degrade. Degrade means there is a decompose. There is a ethanols. Second process, ethanol. हे ethanol मी इथं घेतलं बाळांनो. Ethanols they are the adding of bacteria, acetobacters and glucanobacters and produce in a acid and byproduct. Byproduct means water, oxygen, CO2. The rarefication म्हणजे काय असतं? The lowering of the process of density is low. त्याच्यामुळे डेन्सिटी काय करतोय? कमी करतोय. The acetic acid byproduct हे इथे मी घेतलं. रिएक्शन काय झाली? बायप्रोडक्ट वेपरेशन फॉर्म मध्ये वरती गेला बाळांनो आणि आपल्याला काय भेटलं? ऍसिटिक ऍसिड. द ब्लिचिंग आता आपण याच्यावर ब्लिचिंग पावडर टाकतो म्हणजे टेस्टिंग साठी. द पोटॅशियम कंपाउंड्स इज अ फॅरोसायनाइड. फॅरोसायनाइड का मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला क्या है बच्चों? K4FeCl6. there is an inorganic compound. Soya sauce, the mixture of wheat or rice flour and soybean. The formulations by there is a bacteria, is the name is Aspergillus oryzia bacteria present. Thank you.